Hello people, welcome to the Squirmin' Cat Show, also known as Bethel Brothers Hot Rod, Project 47. Come on, Justice, that's the neighbor's cat, she's defecting. I told you that he had some leaky gaskets on the 47. You guys all know Joe. Another episode brought to you by Klaus Holler and the neighbor's cigarette butts in our yard. Dirty pigs. Anyways, got some of these here gaskets. These were blown out. Hopefully these are the right size. And remember in yesterday's episode I said we needed 4. Well, the guys at O'Reilly decided to give us 3 for our troubles. So, anyway, Captain Doodah is under here doing the due date. And get the camera wedged in there. There's a lot of room. Oh no, Joe's in the way. But see where the gasket just fell out? Where the gasket fell out and his arms are in the way. Oh, cool. Let me see that one. Maybe compare them, see if it's the right size. There's also a grown man out here on a go-kart almost running over the neighbor's kids, and they're ready to go out there and go beat him up. Maybe we'll get that on YouTube.
Like Fight Club.
But that looks about the right size, yeah?
Can you take one out? Here, keep it on wood down in here.
So I'm going to push pause and irritate Joe a little bit. Where's Kat? She'll get you too.
Right here, standing in the street.
So while Joe's working, got a little story for you. Yesterday we got up to the bank, which we both kind of released on our Facebooks. This guy pulls in, and he's all yapping at me, blah, 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 blah. He's in this red 4x4. He's got his bed in the back, like his sleeping bed. And he's trying to say something, and I'm just like walking away from him, right? Come back, he's trying to talk to Joe, and he's parked like this close to the car. He's hands me this card, and I hand it to Joe. And he tells Joe, I'll give you 20 bucks, and you come to this place and hang out with a model, and I want to use your car in a movie. Turns out it was like a 1940s movie, and the character was going to be a vampire. And
squirrel poker.
A squirrel poker with a model in a, what do you call it? Hangar, a warehouse, and the bed on the floor at the car, him and model talking, scene. Lame. And I can't really say all the stuff on here as this is a family show, what I said to dude. But needless to say, he left. And we saw him again later on that evening, walking our dogs. And he still had his bed in the back of the truck. You know, just
it was a casting couch.
Yeah. So here's the deal. $20 to get this ride anywhere, especially to Marysville, ain't gonna happen. And not even for a pretty girl. There are sites out there, and some of you that have these odd bikes, trucks, and cars, or that are fixed up, you might want to check online because they could be the next big star. And that really makes your vehicle worth a lot of money once you can say it's been in a movie, not Dork's vampire movie in a warehouse that he uploads to YouTube. I mean a real movie. So that's something we're going to check into, and if it pans out, we'll tell you about it.
No, we won't.
Oh, we'll film Joe's stomach, because that's just the way it is.
I don't like you.
So yeah, maybe you'll button this up and it'll quit leaking. Still got to wait for one, so it'll be one shy, but at least that's just one less to do. And it doesn't sound like...
I like that sound.
Sounds like water in your exhaust, man. Like a leaky vacuum hose.
Goddamn covered in that.
So he's getting cheesy and only doing the one that goes right here and not doing the one right here. He'll do that later, I guess. We're doing the easy ones today.
I'll do the hard ones tomorrow when I have my tools.
Yeah, Joe actually got laid off yesterday by phone, so he's got to go in tomorrow. And then we're going to go up to their competitor and go apply for work. The one that's putting them out of business. Ha 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 ha. See if it leaks real bad. Probably going to make me jump. Rattling on the fender. Told you to cut those off. Here.
Medicinal use.
So Joe decided not to go cheap and go ahead and fix this side since he was here. He's going to take off this one that's wedged inside that weird X-frame.
I didn't want to do it. I wanted to go to the other side and the other side, and Dan's like,
he has 3. Why not do 2 on one side? You're going to do 2 on one side. I think what he wanted to do was do the 2 on the driver's side so he didn't have to listen to it on the driver's side.
No, man, I wasn't going to do any of the hard ones at all. I was just going to go drive my car and have fun.
No, you don't want to do that. It messes up your exhaust system.
Yeah, oh, it's messed it up bad.
It is. Makes it sound like it's got water in it.
I don't care.
Or leaky exhaust. I got some cheap going on underneath that nice car.
That hurts.
And we both agree that at some point these got to all be redone with the copper ones.
You gotta write Kid Rock on it.
And Kid Rock. Yeah, American Dirtbag.
Baby.
3 bad gaskets later. This one wasn't too bad. But, man, whoosh, it was time to replace them. They've seen some heat and some time. See, the good thing about the copper ones is this little coating stuff that bakes off of these type of gaskets never comes off.
Jesus.
It's always there. I suppose you probably could get some copper plate and cut these out if you wanted. Or you could just buy them. So yeah. So we got 1 on the other side, 2 over here. See if it gets rid of that hissing noise. Or if we still got exhaust leak. Easy with the Klaus. The Klaus Howler. Klaus Howler. Holler. Howler. Klaus Howler. I don't know. Yeah, a little bit. I can still hear the glass pack, but it's not leaking as much exhaust. Alright, people. Got a lot to do tomorrow, so that's all we really got to show you for today. Thanks for tuning in and watching Bethel Brothers Hot Rod. Vote for Ron Paul. Peace out, baby.